Hello. Back to Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata is set after about 3.5 months. So it's a very happy day for all of us and a very emotional one as well. And I really want to thank Rajanji for taking care of his whole unit. As soon as we entered the set, we had to take a temperature, oximeter was ready, and we had to sanitize our hands, and only then could we come inside. The set is so clean, it's really spick and span, and it's being sanitized every 2 to 3 hours. So it's a lovely feeling to get inside the set where the producer takes so much care of everyone. Our other unit, our makeup artists, our hairdressing artists, they are also equipped with the full kit and gear, and they have aprons, they have the headgear, plus the masks and the gloves as well. So thank you so much, Rajanji. It's really a pleasure to work with DKP, and all the more so right now when we know that you're taking so much care of all of us. And then, when I got into the makeup room, there was another surprise waiting for me. And not just me, for all the artists. Let me show you. When I came to the makeup room, there is this pouch kept with my name on it. I will open it and show you. Here. This is my makeup kit provided by the DKP unit. Here, there are some puffs, makeup brushes. There is this makeup articles that we need, some pencils. Not just this, we also have our own disinfectant spray in the room where we can spray when we feel like. And there is also this. So again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Rajanji, for providing for all these facilities for us. And last but not the least, I would like to say thank you.